A very good morning to all. How are you? Fine? Great. So class, now as you all know that exams are approaching, isn't it? So you have to just pull up your socks and please, it's time to do your best. So you have to revise all the topics, that is from September, October and November. What all topics we have done in these 3 months, and in these 3 days we will be doing from 1st, 2nd and 3rd December. That means up till before your exams begin, you have to complete all of the things. You have to revise everything for your exams. Is that clear? Great. So now, tell me what is the date today? Can you tell me the date? Yes, it's 1st December 2020. So class, today we have entered in the 12th month of this year, the last month of year 2020. You remember we have 12 months in a year? So now we have started writing 12. That means the last month of the year 2020 has begun today. Isn't it great? And after this month, we are going to enter in new year. Something really good we are going to do then. Isn't it? Great. So now it's time to begin with our today's classes. But before beginning today's topic, what I want is you to tell me, have you understood the previous topic we did? Because both the topics, the one which we did in the previous class and that we are going to do today, are connected to each other. जब तक आपको वो समझ नहीं आएगा, you will not able to understand today's topic. So, what we did in the previous class? We have learnt about one and many. That is one finger, many fingers. You remember that? One eye. But when we talk about both, eyes. Yes. Then we have one key. But many keys. One cup. Many cups. You remember that? And you have understood what is the difference between both? When we are talking of one object, we only write, for example, cup. So we write cup. But if you are talking about many, more than one, या तो one के अलावा जैसे 2, 3, 4 कितने भी हैं, but वो one से ज़्यादा है, then we say cups. The the sound of is coming there. That means we have to write that alphabet with cups. Isn't it? Now, again, moving to the pictures drawn here, what is this? It's a pot. Isn't it? What is this? It's a pot. So what I'll do, I'll write pot here. Now tell me, what are these? ये क्या है? Pots, because they are more than one, so they are pots. Okay class. Now if we talk of this, can you identify who's it? It's a girl. Girly है ना? ऐसे दिखती है ना? Okay. So it's a girl. Now, if we move towards this side, what are this? What should we write for these? Girls. Yes. We are going to write girls. So the difference is only of this alphabet S. जब ये alphabet S है, that means we are talking about many objects. जब alphabet S लगा हुआ है end में, what does that mean? We are talking about many objects. But when this S is not there, what does it say? We are talking of only one object. Clear? जब एक object है, तो S नहीं लगेगा. Now, what are we going to learn today? Generally, when we talk with each other, कोई आपके घर पे आता है, कुछ भी होता है, any guest or sometimes even in the school, it is generally asked, who are you? Isn't it? Who are you? I am a girl. आपसे पूछा you have to tell about that one, you will use I. I am a pot. सोचो, if pot also start talking to us like parrots, isn't it? I told you ना, parrot को जब हम कुछ सिखाते हैं तो हमारी तरह बोलता है, तो वो भी बोलेगा I am a parrot. कैसे बोलेगा वो? I am a parrot, isn't it? So like as I say, I am a girl. What I say? I am a girl. For boys, अगर मान लीजिए कोई boy है and मैंने उससे पूछा who are you, तो he will say I am a boy. आपसे पूछते हैं ना आप गर्ल हो या बॉय हो, तो I am a boy, क्योंकि आप अपने बारे में बात कर रहे हो, वन, ओनली वन. जब हम वन ऑब्जेक्ट की बात कर रहे हैं तो क्या लगाना है? I. Clear? So the use of I and we is what we are learning today. जब आपसे कोई पूछता है who are you, how you are answering? I. आप अपने बारे में बता रहे हो ना, I am a girl, I am a boy, और my name is Vani, I am a girl. मैंने अपना नाम बताया और ये बताया कि I am a girl. Clear? Now, when we are talking about many, यानी कि आप हो, आपकी और 2 friends आ गई आपके साथ खेलने. So who are you? We are girls. क्योंकि many के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं ना, आप हो, आपके साथ आपके 2 friends भी हैं. So what do you say? We are girls. Now let me tell you, when we are talking for one, how we write? I am a girl. समझ गया? Did you understand that? I am a girl. When we are talking for one, one and many किया, singular plural किया. जब हमने one के बारे में बात की, कैसे पता चला कि ये one object है? Because यहाँ s नहीं है. There is no s written in it. Clear? So we will say I am a girl. What we are going to say? I am a girl. Now next, when we have girls here, girls का मतलब many हो गया. Count करिए 1 2 3. We have 3. तो अब हम क्या लिखेंगे? We are girls. क्या लिखेंगे? We are. Then we will write we are girls. And full stop. Clear? So the difference between one and many will come in between this. जब one object है तो you will use I. जब one object है तो क्या use करेंगे? I. और जब many objects हैं हमारे पास, जब one से ज्यादा है, we are going to use we. Like for this, I am a pot. How we are going to write? I am a pot. I am a pot. And what is this? We are pots. How we will write that? We'll write it. We are pots. Now let me explain you in Hindi. I का मतलब मैं हो गया, मैं लड़की हूँ. We का मतलब हम लड़कियां हैं, हम गर्ल्स हैं. जब many हो गए तो हम आ गया ना, और I क्या हो गया? मैं. So जब one के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, we always use I. And when we are talking about many, जब हम many की बात करते हैं, we always use we. This is same for boys. So if we are talking about one boy, तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? I am a boy. How are you going to write it? I am a boy. Why I? Because only one boy. S नहीं है ना? S होगा तो many होगा. When we are talking about one boy, we'll use I here. Clear? Now we are going to talk about more, many, more than one. So what we are going to write? We are boys. We are boys. So see S. Clear? So the use of I and we is all depending on your one and many. One object I, many object we. And what is the difference of one and many? One में जब हम one object की बात करते हैं, so when we are talking of one object, we are not putting S. When we are talking of many objects, we are putting S. Is that clear to all? One thing more, see when you are writing the sentences, you have to put this full stop also. Understood class? Now to understand it clearly, let's do 2 or 3 sentences in our notebook also. Okay? So class, now let's see how we are going to do our today's work in notebook. Clear? So what you have to do, open your English notebook and first we are going to write today's date in it. So can anyone tell me what is the date? Yes, it's 1st December 2020. After writing the date, you have to mention classwork. This is your classwork, so please mention CW. Now the topic is use of I and we. So what is the topic? Use of I and we. Can you see the picture here? What is this picture? This is the picture of one girl. This is the picture of one girl. So I told you, when we are talking about one, what we are going to write? I. Yes, when we are talking about one, we write I. So class, now let's see how we are going to write this sentence. So I, अब I लिखा, I के बाद you have to leave some space. I am, then a, and this is girl. So write girl and full stop. So what you have written? We have written I am a girl. Why I? Because there is only one. So one hai, we have not written S here also. S bhi nahi likha because it's only one. So when we are talking of one object, one person, anything which is one, we use I. Understood? Now moving to the next here. Can you see this picture here? Now how many are there? Let's count. 1, 2. So we have 2 girls, isn't it? Now when we are having objects more than one, we use S with it. And when we are talking about more objects, what we use? I am girls or we are girls? I means मैं and we means हम, है ना? तो अब जब आप घर पे खेलते हो तो आप मम्मा से कहते हैं ना, मम्मा हम खेल लें, मतलब आप, आपके ब्रदर सिस्टर, तो हम यूज़ करते हैं ना, क्योंकि 1 से ज़्यादा होते हो. So when we are talking of more than one girls, what we are going to write? We. Yes. So like this, we are girls. This is we are girls. For one we have used I am a girl, and when we are more than one, जब 1 से ज़्यादा है तो we are using we are girls. हम क्या यूज़ कर रहे हैं? हम के लिए यूज़ करते हैं we, और मैं, जब हम एक के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं मैं, तो हम यूज़ करेंगे I. मैं गर्ल हूँ, I am a girl. हम गर्ल्स हैं, we are girls. Understood? Now next is picture of one boy. Yes, कितनी picture है? 1, and it's a boy. Now tell me, what are we going to write? I am a boy. Very good. क्योंकि 1 है ना, it's only 1 here, so we'll write I am a boy. I am a boy. बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ वन, हम एक के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, दैट इज वाई वी आर राइटिंग आई एम अ बॉय. नाउ मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट, सी हियर वी हैव 1 2 3, यानी कि मोर देन वन हो गया ना. अब जब ये मोर देन वन हो गया, एक से ज्यादा हो गया, तो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू. सी, एक से ज्यादा हुआ तो हमने क्या किया, वी हैव यूज्ड वी. अब मैम भी बोल रही है ना वी हैव यूज्ड, यानी कि हम सब ने यूज किया ना, तो हम सब के लिए क्या यूज करा, वी. सो अब हम यहाँ क्या लिखेंगे, हम बॉयज हैं तो क्या लिखेंगे, वी आर बॉयज. व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू राइट, वी आर बॉयज. आपको इसकी साउंड आ रही है ना, दैट मीन्स ये मैनी है एंड वी हैव टू राइट एस ऑल्सो. अंडरस्टूड. लेट्स हैव अ रिविजन वंस अगेन. सी क्लास, जब हम एक की बात करते हैं, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वन, तो आई आएगा एंड देयर विल बी नो एस. व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मोर देन वन, जब हम एक से ज़्यादा ऑब्जेक्ट्स के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, एट दैट टाइम वी आर यूजिंग वी. हम क्या यूज कर रहे हैं, वी यूज कर रहे हैं. हम, वी किसके लिए यूज हो रहा है, हम मतलब वन से ज्यादा, और आई मतलब मैं मतलब ओनली वन. और जब हम यूज करते हैं तो वी राइट एस हियर टू टेल कि वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मेनी ऑब्जेक्ट्स. इज दैट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? सो दिस इज हाउ you are going to do your today's classwork in notebook. Understood? And your homework will be same as classwork and learn them. Understood? So this is your today's homework. So class, I hope you have understood our today's topic, a topic which is related to the previous one, isn't it? तो आज हमने क्या किया, previous वाला revise भी करा, and the most important thing, play करते करते you have learned how to write, how to read and write the sentence. See, words से अब हम sentences पे आ गए हैं. What is the difference? When we are writing many words together, it builds a sentence. I am a girl. Isn't it great? So this shows that you are actually growing up. So all of you please applaud for yourself for this. Yes, you all are growing up. अब हमने words को read करके, उनको join करके sentences बनाना शुरू किया. Isn't it? So you have to keep practicing. Practice is must. So please keep practicing your work, finish your work and get ready for the next class. Take care.